This is We have a 480-foot long driveway. Had our first snowfall to use it in. Worked like a charm. Husband loved the power and the hand warmers. Took a bit to start because choke, etc. all opposite from the craftsman he was used to, but once figured out that it was operator error, it was a beast. Easy to assemble with 2 people. We did not receive the extra shear pins though. Love this machine and my wife likes the hand warmers when using it. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.